Okay, so by the white clouds, you know, by the fog, you know, we've almost reached. Oh my god, just look at that, bro. Okay. Just look at this. Wow, trust. Wow. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. But like, it's one of the most beautiful things I've seen. Wow, just wow. And riding on a bike makes you more like appreciate the nature, because you are exposed to the nature. And sitting in a car, it's like you're in AC, everything's closed, even if it's rain, summer, winter, you don't actually know anything. But when on a bike, you actually are exposed to the nature. You know everything what's going around you. What's the weather like, what's the temperature like, how it looks, how it smells, how it feels. So it's all just perfect on a bike rather than a car. That's why I just love riding bikes. Twisties after twisties, and it's just amazing, you know. Like, many tourists have come here, you can see, and actually it's a weekday, it's a Friday, so not that many will be here, I guess. So it's like a perfect time to come. We are heading towards the Tiger Point, most famous, obviously you must all know, famous location of Lonavala, still showing 29 kilometers. I think mostly because of the twisties. Let's just hope we reach there safely, comfortably. Oh my god. This is the old, I think this is a Khandala thing, Khandala road. Okay. Oh, incoming traffic. Hey boy. Responsibly, man. Almost reached the famous Tiger Point, showing 8 minutes from here, and this was an absolutely amazing ride, guys. Like, if you want to come here, then I suggest you take like any free day you have and just come here in the morning, wake up at 6. सबसे खतरनाक टर्न है, सबसे खतरनाक टर्न है। और हम खतरों के खिलाड़ी बनते हुए heading towards Tiger Point. Almost reached. Isn't this just majestic? It is. absolutely no sight of the road. You might be able to see in the GoPro, but on road, on like actual and physical presence, you just see a white curtain right now. So I'm going slowly. Okay. Whoa. This is like too amazing right now. I'm so excited. It's cold out here because it has rained obviously, and plus you're at a height doing twisties with fog. It's just amazing. Just amazing. 3 minutes away. 3 minutes away from Tiger Point. At all. Let's just go slow and slow and slow. Okay. No visibility. Oh boy, 3 dogs running. One cyclist. You can see here. And one biker has no clue. Okay. I'm here, just don't hit me. And oh boy. Stretch is just, it is breathtaking, but obviously if you just missed a turn, it can mean literally it'll take out your breath. So, okay, just for the stripes here. There's one more. Okay, this is the Tiger Point, I guess, and it is closed. Lions Point, which is closed. And here we are at the Tiger Point. ये टाइगर पॉइंट है. What? ये टाइगर पॉइंट है. Okay, so right now what I'm showing you is not a widescreen. It's actually the fog which is there, and you literally can't see anything. This is the Tiger Point. सो वेलकम बैक। एंड हुआ ऐसा कि एक्चुअली हम लोग पहले आए और मेरी जो फैमिली है वो कार से बाद में आ रही है। सो द थिंग इज़ कि वो लोग निकले लेट, तो हमें टाइम पास करने के लिए कुछ चाहिए था, इसलिए टाइगर पॉइंट पे तो गए हम। एंड देन वी जस्ट रियलाइज कि हमने कैश नहीं लाया, तो सो वी थॉट ऑफ जस्ट गोइंग डाउन इनटू द टाउन एंड रिमूव सम कैश। और फिर पता चला पेट्रोल भी नहीं था, सो पेट्रोल भी भरा लिया, कैश भी निकाल लिया। एंड नाउ वी जस्ट एट समथिंग देयर डाउन, हैड सम टी एंड इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग हेविली। सो हम लोग उधर ही रुके कुछ अराउंड 20-25 मिनट्स। सो और फिर हमने सोचा कि चलो ऊपर ही जाके रुकते हैं टाइगर पॉइंट पे। वंस माई फैमिली कम्स विल जस्ट सिट देयर फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन विल लीव। एंड लकीली द रेन हैज स्टॉप्ड, सो दैट्स अ रियली ग्रेट थिंग। एंड अभी हम एम्बी वैली गए थे, एम्बी वैली सिटी, नॉट इनसाइड द सिटी बट जस्ट लाइक टिल द गेट। वो रोड बहुत अच्छा है और हम अभी रिटर्न आ रहे हैं टाइगर पॉइंट के भी थोड़ा आगे और एक पॉइंट हमें दिखा while going to एम्बी वैली सिटी, सो हम वहाँ रुकेंगे। इट्स मोर और लेस लाइक अ टाइगर पॉइंट ओनली, बस वही रुक के उनका वेट करेंगे जब तक आएंगे। थोड़ी सी चाय वाय हो जाएगी, थोड़े से फ़ोटोज़ इधर उधर, सब टाइम पास हो जाएगा एंड देन विल लीव फॉर मुंबई। सो दैट्स अ प्लान फॉर नाउ, सो लेट्स सी। लुक एट दिस व्यू मैन, लुक एट दिस व्यू, so amazing. No one on the road, just me, my bike. That's just amazing. Yeah, just amazing. बैक खंडाला ऑन आवर वे होम। बहुत मज़ा आया आज के राइड में, वॉज वन ऑफ मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग राइड्स। एंड अचानक से प्लान हुआ था, एक्चुअली वीकेंड का प्लान था, बट देन देयर वाज सम वर्क ऑन वीकेंड्स, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कुडंट मेक इट। एंड सो वी डिसाइडेड टू शिफ्ट इट टू Friday. And here we are. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. We took the wrong turn, जो एक्सप्रेसवे को लग रहा है गलती से वो हो गया, but we are back at our normal bike route. So here we are. So the car goes on the expressway and we go through the old highway, or that's the plan, because so कुछ more than the expressway, I think I like the old highway more now. Most probably because of the bikes, but that's that. So we're back to the urban jungle after such a wonderful trip. So let's keep it simple and short. Let's end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Also comment if you like or if you have any suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.